This was the year when it was 2013 and we started our journey in guided implant surgery using Simplant software. And then we started exploring so many different platforms for guided implant surgery. Then we got introduced with Blue Sky Implant software. Then we explored so many devices in last 12-13 years. Then over that time we realized there are single implant cases, multiple implant cases or immediate extractions for where we get the opportunity for flap and flapless treatment, sinus involvement or zygoma surgery, right? So many intricacies are there in guided surgery and digital dental treatment. Now if you say there are one of the best treatment solutions that we most of the day in our operations we execute, that is immediate loading prosthesis using guided concept. Now when it comes to the immediate loading prosthesis, there are workflow involved with resin concept, with magnetic stacking, or sometime you find cobalt chrome concept, right, with the PMMA prosthesis. Both the workflows has its own role and own advantages in managing the workflows. So we say, right, complications and challenges are there, of course, in designing the things or investing your time in front of challenging software. So over the time we realize, okay, one of the best workflow we have invented with the stacking concept, okay, for immediate loading prosthesis with resin made surgical guide, and one more concept we have for the cobalt chrome. And you know, this kind of services are very expensive in the market. You can try image 3D convergence service at exclusive offer. If you haven't experienced this service before or in the past you haven't faced any kind of no peace of mind workflow with any other company, so we are just email away, right? You just need to reach out through our website or email. You can get the link down there in the description box, where we are going to mention all about our details. Wherever you are sitting there in US, UK, Middle East or Indian market, you are practicing there, you simply reach out to our website or connect us through email, and you can get the services for this kind of immediate loading prosthesis for metallic guided workflow or the resin guided workflow. We use one of the best 3D printing technology, and we have best experienced team with in-house clinicians. You just need to reach out to our website or any ways that we have mentioned there in down the box. And about the introductory offer, you will see the prices are close to $1,099 to $2,500 per arch for metal or resin. If you want to experience this service at affordable price, then we have one offer for the first time users, $399 per arch, that is included with the shipping. So don't miss it. Experience our service. If you haven't explored before, we are giving you this offer. Why? So that you can start journey with us to understand our experience, how we are involved with digital dental treatment. We are assuring you, you are going to experience one of the best time, best treatment and best surgery with image 3D conversion. Thank you.